Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS Prelims High Yielding Series for Prelims 2020, and the topic for today's video is Skills Build Platform. So India is considered to be in that phase where its demography is going to reap the demographic dividend. That is, a majority of the population, say 60% of the population, by the year 2040 will be in the age group of 15 to 55 years. So this is the working age population. Now, in order to fully utilize this working age population, we need to create enough number of jobs. So the prerequisite for getting these jobs is having enough skill sets that industry demands. So it is in this context this skills build platform should be looked at. So this platform was launched by Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. So this is in collaboration with International Business Machines Corporation, or it is famously called the IBM. So IBM has a huge history behind it because it has been one of the earliest companies in the field of IT, and it has created a large number of jobs in this IT sector even in India. The reason why IBM is a very good choice is because time and again across various phases of our technological history, that is after the advent of computers, IBM has been one of the quickest to adapt to various kinds of scenarios, and even it is the case right now as well. So what is the ultimate objective of this platform? So recognition of skills is one of the major factor that gives us jobs in this present times. So this digital platform will provide a 2-year advanced diploma in IT, networking and cloud computing offered by industrial training institutes. At the same time, it will also ensure that national skill training institutes are also a part of this framework. Over a period of time, this will be extended to train even the ITIs, that is industrial training units, and NSTIs, the faculties working in these institutes, on building skills required for artificial intelligence related technologies. So if we look at the larger vision of our government, we have talked about various pillars of development that the present government has undertaken in its first term. That is, after Prime Minister Modi came to power in 2014, there were various campaigns like Digital India campaign, Make in India campaign, Skill India campaign. So the objective was to go for a comprehensive development to ensure that we are creating a transformational change rather than an incremental change, meaning we want to focus not just on the growth numbers but also on the structural factors that are responsible for such kind of a growth. So the intangible elements like skilling workforce has not been given due importance in our economic growth policies. So the government wants to take that up very seriously, and this initiative is a part of the larger vision to skill the workforce of our country through the flagship program called the Skill India. So you have to look at this initiative through the lens of that idea. Having said that, is India the only country or the first country to launch such kind of a platform for skill building? The answer is no, because previously we have had the United Kingdom, Germany and France doing similar things, and we have just replicated that idea. So it is going to be accessible online through Bharat Skills. This is a learning management system for ITI and NSTI students and teachers. It is free of cost to use it. Now regarding this question, there has been a video which was posted on the State Energy Efficiency Index 2019. So this question is taken from that particular video. This is a sort of a revision question. If you haven't watched that video, please go back and watch that video and try to answer this question in the context of this particular news item. So please post your answer along with comments and an explanation in the comment box below. That's it for this video. Thank you.